Welcome back to My Wild Adventures, and on today's video I'm doing a special little review. So I've been sent this from AUTO-VOX. This, in the box, is a magnetic reversing camera. Let me show you. So it comes in this fancy little storage case, and let's do a quick unboxing so I can show you what we've actually got here. Okay, so the AUTO-VOX magnetic reversing camera. Let's take a look at it. So first of all, before I get going, I was going to review this as a sort of part of one of my videos, but when I was sent it, I put it in my car and I liked it that much that I feel like it deserved to have its own review video, because I actually think it's pretty useful for anyone with a caravan, anyone with a camper van, or anyone with well, anyone with a car actually, and also some other uses as well, which I'll mention later on in the video that some of my followers might actually enjoy. So this is the solar 5B RV magnetic backup camera with loop recording and night vision. So it is a very nice little camera. According to AUTO-VOX, you can keep your RV or camper safe and stress-free on every journey with the solar 5B magnetic backup camera with a large 7.2-inch 16:9 HD display, loop recording, dual view options and easily wireless installation, plus convenient USB switch cable to free up your lighter port. So in a nutshell, this is the camera. And it's got a very large magnet on the reverse of the camera, which I can literally go and stick on the rear of the car. This then wirelessly connects to this screen here, which is powered up through the car's 12-volt adapter or through the USB port. So there we go, I've got the 12-volt adapter, and it does also have a USB charging port as well, so you can still use your charging port. It comes with a couple of extras, so you can bolt this plate to the inside of your car and then bolt the camera itself to the car permanently, which is a good option if you're worried about security, because if I have that magnetically attached to the car, then somebody could just take it off and walk away with it. Kids could mess around with it or whatever, it could fall off or someone could damage it. So what I've been doing is I've been sticking it on the back because I don't want to drill into my car personally, and I've been just nipping it off and putting it in the boot when I'm leaving and then putting it back on. So there's the solar panel. It is solar powered, the camera itself, so you don't have to charge it, which is a very, very convenient feature. Also, we have the stand for the screen, which we will connect up shortly. This comes with full adhesive on the back, which I can stick on my car dashboard right there, and that can show the screen to me at all times. And we've also got some antennas, so these obviously attach to the screen and the camera itself to boost your signal. So if you're towing a caravan or you've got a larger vehicle, you might need them. I actually don't need them, I haven't found them necessary yet, but they're there if I need them. And you've got some other charging options as well, so you can charge the screen in the house, or you can plug it into a USB port. And then we've got a USB-C cable. Right, let's go pop the camera on the rear of my car and we'll show you it working with the screen, and then we'll do a demonstration to show you in reverse mode. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to stick it on the car there, and that is, I can angle that down as well if I want to, so I'm going to angle it towards the floor, and that's pretty sturdy on there, that's going nowhere. So I'm going to leave that there and we'll go back in the car and we'll show you it working. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, so the camera's connected and I've started the car to power the screen. It does have battery life, but I've just started the car to keep it fully charged. So let's have a look at what it looks like now. And there we go, there we have it. So there's the screen. Not sure how well you can see that on the camera, but it should be relatively okay. So as you can see, the screen's got the date and time, it's got the channel, indicating whether there's an SD card in there. It does come with an SD card as well, which is quite nice. And also it's got these parking lines as well, so it helps you with your reverse parking as well as just giving you a good view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to do a reverse out of the house just to show you in action, but I am going to need some assistance from somebody so they can film it. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to reverse out of the drive, and there we go. So there's the reverse camera working. Obviously it doesn't beep at you or anything like that, but you can clearly see all of the space you've got to reverse. So I can see that car right behind me, and oh, I've stalled because I'm trying to mess around with the camera. Okay, let's drive off a little bit, and you can see the camera working really well and just showing me what's behind me, which is really useful. Okay, so got them parking lines as well, which is really cool. So yeah, really nice. Let's go for a little drive down the road.
I haven't got any shoes.
So yeah, it still works and it's still showing you behind. And yeah, let's do another reverse just so you can see what it's like as a reverse camera. Okay, I'm gonna reverse back onto my road. Make sure there's nothing there. Look in all directions. And yeah, so I can see everything behind me. And I can see bins, cars, kids, if there's any there. Yeah, it's really good, really good. Definitely a good feature to have, particularly if you have no back window or you've got a camper van or you're towing a caravan. That is absolute peace of mind, that is. So yeah, let's go back into the drive now and finish up the video. Okay, so that's the reverse camera in action. So that's the AUTO-VOX solar powered reversing camera, and I think it's actually pretty good, to be honest. I've brought the camera into the car, so this is it. So you could actually use it anywhere in the car or in your caravan or your camper van. You could actually use it as a security camera if you wanted to, because it literally, you can point it anywhere and it'll just show. Obviously it'll stay connected to the screen. So I highly recommend this. I'm recommending it. I'm not paid to recommend this. They've sent me it to review as an honest review, so I'm not paid to do it. There is a discount code you can use, but I'm not biased. I'm not saying this is good because they've told me to, but it is good. It is pretty good to have. So I would recommend getting either this one or something similar if you are worried about reversing your caravan or your camper van or a large vehicle. Actually, some people on my channel do car camping as well, so this would be a nice additional security measure if you were able to power it from a power station. So I'd highly recommend grabbing something like this if you're car camping as well, so you can keep it outside your car and see who's there overnight or whatever if you're stealth car camping. So highly recommend the AUTO-VOX solar powered reverse backup camera. So in quick summary, this is the AUTO-VOX backup camera, solar powered, so the camera charges itself and it wirelessly connects to the screen and records onto an SD card, so you can keep hold of your footage. So if you have an accident as well, it also records all the time. So that's a handy feature which is very commonplace these days. If you look in the video description, you'll find a link to the product and the discount code 15% off. It's Wild Adventures. If you type that in, you'll get 15% off the camera. Thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend this camera. It's very good, and I'm not just saying that because I've been asked to. It is a pretty good camera and I actually use it all the time now. So go get yourself one if you need it. This is a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.